Hey guys, welcome back to Jade's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'm gonna prepare something awesome for you guys, really easy and simple. I saw this awesome recipe on Terrians Kitchen and I decided to try it out. Now, this was really easy and simple as I said before. Go ahead and subscribe to Terrians Kitchen. The link for her YouTube channel will be in the description box. Alright guys? Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have 2 cucumbers. I also have some black pepper and parsley flakes. I also have my tuna and I also have my tomato, my onion and my bell pepper. So I did not have any baking soda, but I had salt, so I'm gonna use the salt water to just wash off my cucumber. Alright. So even though I washed my cucumber in the salt water, I went ahead and washed it a second time under some clean running water. I also went ahead and sliced up the top of my cucumber, rub it together, and I did my own research and I realized when you rub the top, when you slice your cucumber and you rub it on the top, that white part, it helps to remove the bitterness from your cucumber. So I did my research. As I said to you guys, that this recipe, I saw it on Terrians Kitchen and I decided to try it out. I did not even know that you could just slice the top of the cucumber and then you rub it together and that will get rid of the bitterness from your cucumber. So thank you, Terrian. I really enjoyed doing this and I'm going to try some more of your recipe. I find this one very awesome, really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and slice up my cucumber in thin slices. It's a little bit difficult for me to slice it up, I won't lie, but I'm gonna try my best to slice them up thin as possible. Alright. So guys, once again, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box for Terrians Kitchen. She has some really awesome and easy recipe over there. You guys can go ahead and check out all of her recipes and trust me, you won't regret it. Alright, so this is my cucumber. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add the tomatoes, the bell peppers. I know she didn't add any tomatoes and the bell peppers, but I decided to just give it a twist. So I'm gonna add some of the tomatoes and the bell peppers. Alright, so you guys don't necessarily have to add the tomatoes and the bell peppers. And also for the onion, I know she used the purple onion, but I did not have any, so I'm gonna use the white onion. I think that would be okay. Remember, cooking is about being creative. Remember to try to be you in the kitchen. All right, utilize whatever you have at home. So of course I went ahead and sliced up my bell peppers and I'm just gonna put them in the bowl with the cucumber, the onion and also with the tomatoes. Now I'm using 1 can of tuna. If you want to go and add 2 tin of tuna, then you guys can go in and do so. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and add the tuna, then I'm gonna combine everything together, sorry, and I will also go ahead and add the black pepper and the parsley flakes. If you guys don't have any parsley flakes at home, remember you can also go in and add a small amount of salt. So basically we're finished. So in a minute I'm gonna go ahead and serve this up and show you guys the final product of my cucumber and tuna salad. Really easy and simple, and the family will love you guys for this. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my cucumber and tuna salad, and of course I served this up with some white bread, and I also went ahead and used some garlic spread on my bread. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to check out Terrians Kitchen, and remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell. Thank you guys.